This is the Council of Turkeys at Utopia Gardens on my parents' farm out here in California. This is common, like hordes of turkeys come down the mountain and up. Well, hello, Mushy. You watching the turkeys too? They're just running and running and running. I was in a portal potty the other day and I drilled little peepholes in it so I can look outside at nature while I do my business in the morning. And one day, like, a whole thing of turkeys came and surrounded the portal potty. There must have been, like, I think there was 30 turkeys on 3 sides of my portal potty. I could reach out and pet one if I wanted, but I just stayed in there. Oh, there's one in a tree. That's cool. Look at those big mumbo jumbos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 have their big fans up. That's cool. Very cool. Oh, I hear more. I don't see them, but they're way to the right. So yeah, there's more coming from beyond the mountains. My dad's going to love this video. I will send it to him right now.